So is AI gonna kill faceless YouTube? So if you take this channel right now, completely done by AI, forget the fact that it's only made 1.5K, unlike all my other channels that's made 6K, 8K, 10K. But that's not the reason I'm making this video. The reason I'm making this video is this channel, I guarantee, like dead ass, being 100% serious here, takes me less than an hour a week to manage. And it's not because I have like a big team and they're making the videos. No, this is genuinely pretty much passive income at this point, right? This is not the only channel I have. So that's the power of AI. So let's go ahead and like watch a video to even understand what we're doing, right? There you go. The whole script of the video, the whole flipping script is done by AI. It's 3 hours long. And if you're wondering, how did we make so much money from only 125K views? Zapium on this niche is about $12, like on average. It's that good, right? So as you can see, the whole video is made by AI, but I have a stupid ad here. But let me. So he noticed there are some scene changes, but this is all automated, right? It's completely automated. So a scene stays on screen, and then after a few minutes, it changes to another scene. As you can tell, this is a very automated niche. There's nothing you can think of about this channel right now that isn't automated by AI. Okay, let's say, I'm going to show you some more competitors right now that are doing what I'm doing to show you how realistic it is. But all the thumbnails that you're looking at, made by AI, the whole thing is done by AI, right? So, I'm not the only one doing it. This video, AI, these videos, maybe not that one, but any recent video made in, let's say, this month, all these videos are AI visuals and the AI narrations, and they're making bank. And my channel is actually pretty small. My channel is not one of the biggest, right? We've only made 2K. So we've been posting for, not that much recently. So if we go to the last 90 days, as you can see, nothing crazy. And I swapped this niche from something else, privated the videos. But anyway, that's not the point. The point is that it takes no effort, right? So that's the part of the video. How am I monetized in channels like this, right? Because AI is supposed to be killing YouTube. YouTube is not going to survive anymore. How are you ever going to do YouTube if YouTube has all these policies, suppressing AI content and they're not monetizing the AI content? What's the way people that are actually making money from YouTube are doing it? Well, the way we're doing it is pretty simple. Pre-monetized channels. I know if you've been watching my videos, you've heard me talk about this endless times. That's because that's where the money is at, guys. I'm not trolling. You think that for this niche, there's probably, I would say, a 70 to 30% chance of me getting monetized to me not getting monetized. Reason for that is you will never know 100% for sure. Like this niche probably won't be accepted. If I apply for monetization with this niche and YouTube watches the videos and sees that I barely edit the videos, this is a mass-produced kind of content, etc., they're not going to monetize this channel. That's it. They're going to deny my monetization application. They straight up deny it. So why do you think that the only method that works nowadays is to have a channel that's already pre-monetized and get into niches like this, 3 hours long, where the money is at? You can cram endless ads into these videos, right? This is where the money is at. And the niches like this, where money is actually at, where people are actually watching videos, most of the times they are not monetizable. You can't rely on YouTube because their policies keep changing. So what do? We start with pre-monetized accounts. Accounts that's already been monetized in other niches, and you just take that channel and you quickly get into niches like this, blast videos, and you instantly start getting views, and you're getting paid on day one. That's it, guys. That's it. It's pre-monetized channels. And if you want to go ahead and grab yourself one, yes, I do have a plug where I get my vendor. So if you want to go ahead and check it out, it's from headstartchannels.com. This is where I get all the channels that I use to start my niches. So if you want to go ahead and inquire about this, click the link below in the description and apply. If you do get accepted, then you're lucky, because you will essentially be starting YouTube this week with a business, like an actual business. So you're not posting for months and months, working for free. And when you do apply for YouTube to monetize you, they'll just say no. They'll deny you and tell you to reapply in the next 3 months. Would you rather waste that much time than literally start right now? Like, it's a no-brainer to me. I don't know how many people don't do this. It's like crazy to me. Like, no one's talking about this. Like, hello, pre-monetized channels, hello. Right? YouTube's getting more and more unfair. But anyway, so is AI going to be killing YouTube? Absolutely not. I don't think so, because AI tools like, HeyGen, for example, I have a bunch of niches that I make with HeyGen, which is like the avatar, AI avatar niche. If you don't know what that is, that's HeyGen. So HeyGen, there's a bunch of niches I enter with this, right, where the whole video is just an AI talking to the camera, right? Tell me again when YouTube is ever going to monetize this video. Never. But if you start with the pre-monetized channel, that's how you get away with it. But anyway, so AI tools like, Dance and the new ones that are coming up are going to unlock new opportunities and niches for beginners to enter. For example, with Dance 2.0, you can do 3D niches, right? There's so many opportunities that are arising from all these AI tools, right? All these new AI tools that are just like coming up. So all it's doing is giving beginners, new people starting right now, way more tools. And this is what we help here. So once you get your pre-monetized channel, we hand you the niche, and we also go ahead and help you with the AI workflows to make your videos. But the idea is, it removes the entry barrier for normal everyday beginners that are working like a full-time job, that don't have the time to sit around and learn how YouTube works and learn to make these videos manually. It helps them start. So AI has made the field so much more like accessible. That's why I've saying like it does. It's accessible now. Terrible. But it's accessible to new beginners, right? It's so much more accessible, right? But obviously, since it's more acceptable, means you have more competition now. So how do you actually win? All right, you have more competition. Niches saturate faster because everyone's using AI, etc., etc. How do you find and enter niches like what I'm doing right here that's making passive income? Or if you scroll on my channel, you've seen multiple 4 and 5-figure channels I have in my portfolio. How am I spotting these niches? I'm entering them, right? The niches I'm entering are niches that have extreme demand, like so much demand. I'm talking about niches that I've started recently, like niches that are just starting. Most people won't see this organically scrolling YouTube, right? But these are the niches that I spot. And we're also going to give you access to this tool that we use to do this. But essentially what I'm telling you is, stop going for the mainstream niches. Don't watch a video where people are like, oh, top 10 niches to start in June 2026, I'm taking niche from there. Why? Because everyone's already seen it. Everyone already seen the same niches. You're going to be competing with everyone. You're not going to see any results. And then you're going to think that YouTube doesn't work. The niches that work, no one exposes it to you, which is why I'm different, because I'm actively actually showing you guys my channels. But the niches that actually make money, why would they tell you? They wouldn't tell you. All they're telling you guys is speculative niches so that you'd click on your videos as clickbait, right? It's not niches that have actually done themselves, right? So the niches that work and niches that are so untapped, that started recently and a lot of people are already popping off, you have to be able to spot these niches. How do you do this? Open an incognito tab, watch a bunch of faceless videos to train your feed to recommend you more videos like that. If you need our help, and if you need a pre-monetized channel I'll help to do this. Go ahead and click Head Start Channels. But is AI saturating the market? Yes, because so many more people are now competing with you. But is AI gonna kill faceless automation? Absolutely not. If you are ready to adapt and if you are ready to learn from the industry experts and always adapt to changes, you make so much more money because you created so much more like opportunities. So that's it. That's my 2 takes. See you guys next time.